So now we're doing a ulnar sensory study.
How's the nerve travel?
And as the nerve travels, we're here for 13.
I think that's too far. Maybe you should do 12. I don't know. Feels like
I said to use like the flat end. She's like, it's a wide tendon. He was like, oh, I like to use the pointy side.
Yeah.
On the triceps?
Yeah.
Weird.
Okay. Stop telling me different things, everyone.
So how many
It's too confusing.
All that means is that both should be. You can use
Starting stimulation at 1 milliamp.
electrodes into the device instead of the probes for the sensor.
How does that
Oh,
mean?
because
Okay, though?
the stimulator needs to be stimulating.
That's correct.
That shit.
Yes.
Let me know if it gets uncomfortable or
And
not.
on
This is looking pretty good, huh?
Different than that one. Red's usually negative,
The
right?
red dot.
Or I mean,
Use it.
The amplitude.
The amplitude is twice.
Yeah.
Latency should
So
be
median
between the ulnar and median nerves should be identical.
amplitudes, and they were 4 times as high as the radial and the little and the ulnar.
So just the latency.
We're already
The latency.
over
Should be
0.5
the same.
different.
Latency should be the same.
Here.
Are
No.
you?
Yeah. So, I mean, should I go back down?
Well, but
Or am I in the wrong position?
they don't look that different. The latencies don't look that different.
That's 0.3 difference right there.
On the peak? Oh, yeah, they're both.
So if you did all
Where did
5
that go?
fingers, you'd expect that the latencies would kind of line up. Some people are identical, some people have a little difference, but the amplitudes would look different.
Is the radial
I feel
and
like we're not getting, now we're getting even weirder.
Latency should be
Okay.
still.
No,
What if-
now I'm going back
So
down.
we
What if you tried moving the
on
recording
your
electrode a little bit?
finger and your thumb, you might get an amplitude of maybe 8
Yeah.
Okay.
We're good?
Yeah, let's go back.
So if you're not getting a good signal, make sure you have good contact with the electrodes.
Cheerio.
That's not good. Let's do it again.
Oh, because that's
Lower,
not
higher.
So you line them up with the median, because the onset should be about the same.
I mean, would you put it like
Right, 'cause the
there?
latency should be
Because
0.5.
yeah,
No.
Really?
no,
Like, no.
Where would
I
you
would
put
do
it? Here?
I would put it where it was.
Really?
I think you want it
that
to line up with
right
that
there.
one.
Yeah,
And then that's the peak,
Uh-huh.
and then no trough,
Yeah.
essentially.
you could like turn it up and see if you can find a lower.
So you
spot.
wouldn't use that little hump before it then?
No.
And then
So just to clarify for anybody who misunderstood, these the bars are not backwards. It's just the red dot is small, but the red is positive and the black is negative. So don't get those backwards.
So, because ours are going down.
Okay, so here's our
The deflection.
Thanks, Karen.
good wave
Sorry
here.
about
1
that.
is the onset, 2 is the peak,
stimulation.
and 3 is the trough.
This.
So these are our values for our latency. So to calculate conduction velocity, we divide the distance, which is 12 centimeters, by the latency.
For it to millimeters.
Just to clarify, you actually use the distance in millimeters, so it'd be 120 divided by the latency.